Want to melt belly fat fast? Discover the lemon and apple secret that works in just 7 days. This powerful natural combo boosts metabolism, burns fat, and flattens your belly. Ready to transform your body? Start today with this simple recipe. Your belly will thank you. Let's start with our fat-burning heroes. First, grab 2 fresh lemons. Slice them with the peel, that's where the most powerful fat-burning compounds are found. Lemon is known to melt stubborn belly fat and detox your body naturally. It also boosts your metabolism, helping you burn more fat even while resting. Next, take 1 green apple, rich in fiber and antioxidants. Peel it gently. Green apples are preferred for their higher fat-burning effect. Now slice it thinly, this makes the nutrients release faster while cooking. Green apples naturally suppress your appetite and prevent unnecessary snacking. They're also great for eliminating toxins and supporting healthy digestion. Add the apple slices to a pot. We're building a detox elixir. Now add the lemon slices right on top. Fat doesn't stand a chance. Pour in about 3 cups of water, roughly 1 liter. Drop in 2 cinnamon sticks, a secret weapon for belly fat and sugar cravings. Bring everything to a boil and let it simmer for 10 minutes. After boiling, cover the pot and let it sit and infuse for 1 full hour. Strain the mixture to remove the fruit slices. What you get is pure fat-burning power. This quantity is enough for 3 days. You can prepare a bigger batch if you prefer. Want to make more? Just double or triple the ingredients. Once cooled, squeeze in half a lemon for an extra vitamin C boost. Store your drink in a clean glass bottle, no plastic. Keep it in the refrigerator or any cool spot in your kitchen. Before drinking, warm it slightly. Never drink it cold for best results. Let's talk about how to take it. 1 warm cup every morning before breakfast. Optionally, you can sweeten with a teaspoon of natural honey. Repeat this ritual daily for 7 days. Your body will thank you. In just a few days, you'll feel lighter, energized, and see visible change. This drink melts belly fat, trims your waist, and helps reduce bloating. Some users reported losing up to 7 kilos in the first week. No diet. No workout. Just consistency. Your belly will shrink, your body will feel lighter, and your energy will soar. Your clothes will fit better, even those jeans you gave up on. Get ready for a flatter, tighter tummy in only 7 days. And the best part? It's all natural, safe, and delicious. Results may vary, depending on your body type and fat percentage. Some may burn fat faster than others. Keep going until you hit your goal. Don't forget to drink water, sleep well, and avoid processed sugars. Stick with this natural method and your body will transform, slowly but surely. Comment below and tell me, from which country are you watching this? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural fat-burning recipes.